From a spoon to a water puddle, mirrors reflect everything that we see, but how are we also able to see objects behind barriers and in different orientations? In this video, we will go over how basic, concave, convex, and one-way mirrors work. Before we talk about mirrors, let's talk about light briefly. When light hits an object, it will get absorbed or reflected based on the material. A brick wall, for example, absorbs all the light except for red, which gets reflected into our eyes for us to perceive a brick wall as red. In the case of mirrors, they barely absorb any light and reflect most of them back, allowing us to see everything that was reflected. A simple mirror is made of a glass at the front, a reflective material, often silver nitrate, below it, and a backing to prevent light from breaking through. According to the law of reflection, the angle at which the light hits the surface will be the same as the angle reflecting off. So, if we look at a mirror from this angle, we would see everything here. This explains why this happens, where we can see an object seemingly hidden behind something reflected in the mirror. From this angle, the light from this object reflects like so into our eyes, and to us, our brain assumes that there is an object here, since it doesn't really know what a mirror is. This is less so a case of mirrors knowing what's behind a barrier. This is more so our brains assuming that an object exists there, because to our brain, light is just simply coming from that direction. Another two common mirrors we see are convex and concave. Convex mirrors reflect light like this due to its angle, allowing us to see objects in a wider point of view at the cost of everything appearing smaller. A common place to see those mirrors is on a car side view mirrors, helping the driver see a lot more around them. It is also why we see the message, "Objects in mirror are closer than they appear." Concave mirrors are the opposite, where they focus light at a point called the focal point. Objects before the focal point get magnified, which is why concave mirrors are commonly used in makeup mirrors, magnifying everything we see. Interestingly, everything beyond the focal point will appear flipped, because the light from our head reflects our feet and vice versa. We can see this happen if we look at the caved-in surface of a metal spoon. Lastly, we have the most interesting one of the bunch, one-way mirrors. Those mirrors have a thinner reflective layer and don't have a backing, making them just a reflective window. Most of the magic of one-way mirrors lies behind the lighting of the environment. Take an interrogation room here, where the suspect's room is filled with light and the observer's room is very dark. From the observer's side, since there is no light in their room, the only light they see is coming through the mirror, allowing them to see what's inside. From the suspect's side, since there is no light coming from the outside, they only see the reflection from the light on their side reflecting off the mirror. This is why at night, if our room is lit up, we can't really see what's outside, but someone outside can easily see our room. And there we have it. Mirrors are surfaces that reflect light well, so even a clear puddle of water can count as a mirror. By molding the shape of a mirror, we can see objects as they are, from an angle, in a widened view, enlarged, or even flipped. And with the perfect lighting, we can see objects from one side as well. I hope that y'all have learned something interesting today. Thank you for your time, and stay hydrated.